So in a way, this moment is a rewind to the pregame setup. You want 5 cards in hand? You want an aura in the aura zone? You want that classic "I'm gonna eat you for breakfast" intimidating stare? Or maybe that's just me. But either way,
It's game time.
we kick off the game in the draw phase. Each player takes 1 card from the main deck, so now we are both at 6 cards in hand. That ships us to the aura phase. We drop in another aura from the aura deck. Everything is already untapped, and we have established that the fire player will have priority. On to the action phase. Fire player taps both their aura to pay for a 2-cost giant salamander. Now it's earth player's turn, and a thorny little Pukwudgie hits the board after paying 1 aura. The fire player is out of aura to spend, but the lanes are still open. They declare the mission in the middle lane. No creatures on the other side, so this lane is uncontested, awarding 2 points to the fire player. Though the earth player has 1 untapped aura, they don't have a 1-cost card or ability they can use. So they also must take an action, and they choose to declare the mission in the Pukwudgie lane, also uncontested. With no other action that could gain them points, and no card play options, the fire player must declare the mission in the empty lane, awarding no points and immediately ending the round. Now, we run through the starting 2 phases again. We draw a card, and the priority player changes. Then we move to the aura phase. Add 1 aura, untap the lanes, untap our aura, and if we had any tapped creatures, we would untap them now as well. Earth player taps out all 3 aura and brings Javier in training out from the caster zone, opposing the giant salamander in the middle lane. But the fire player says you're not the only one with a caster and drops Nia in training in Pukwudgie's lane. Nia's got testing skills, an on-play ability, which is a one-time effect that happens right after a card is played. She uses it to deal 3 damage to Pukwudgie. Pukwudgie with an influence of 2 is shattered by damage of 2 or more. So Pukwudgie is shattered and shipped to the discard pile, leaving Nia as the new landlord of the left lane. Earth player, still in mourning from Pukwudgie's defeat, declares the middle lane mission. And here we see our first contested mission. A contested mission is only worth 1 point. We compare the 2 influence of Salamander to the 5 influence of Javier, and Earth player handily wins the lane, gaining 1 MP. However, Javier also has a special ability called Bonus Point. It is an overwhelm ability, and those take effect when you win a lane by 3 or more influence. The Earth player was ahead by just enough to make it happen. The reward of overwhelm abilities can be different, but this one gives a bonus point of 1 MP to the Earth player. Now it is back to fire player's action. They declare the lane they are winning. And now we see the power of what Nia's ability did. By removing Pukwudgie, the lane has no rival creatures anymore and is uncontested. The uncontested lane scores the fire player 2 points. So, with a tie game, it is back to the Earth player, who has no more cards to cast, but must do something, so they declare the empty lane, ending the round. So how is this game going to end? When someone scores 15 points. But that is also just the start. Now, I'm not going to lie to you. You are going to outgrow your alpha deck. It is just a sample, guys, but it gives you a taste of what the MetaZoo booster packs are going to be like, and they will be available soon. Like this soon. Oh, sorry, that's my grocery list. Okay, graphics guy, fix this. Not cool. Thank you. That is the release date. I'm Dono the Dev Guy, and I'm sure we will see each other again as we go deeper into MetaZoo. So thanks for watching. Oh, and hey, if you're wondering what the full game looks like, we've got that rundown also waiting for you in the lab. We hope you have a great time playing with your alpha decks. Bye!